Huibregtse, take us home, Zach.
Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed. 1 winner. 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Breakfast? Maybe I should have had breakfast. A little brekkie could be good for me. No, stay focused. Speed. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Hey, Lightning, you ready?
Oh yeah, lightning's ready.
I'm American made, but like Chevrolet. My mama taught me wrong from right. I was born in the South. Sometimes I have a big mouth when I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it. We've been driving this road for a mighty long time, paying no mind to the signs. Well, this neighborhood's changed, it's all been rearranged. We left that tape somewhere behind. Come on now, slow down, you're gonna crash. Radio is screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. Look out, you got your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone. Real gone. Real gone. Real gone. Say what you want, but you can't say it around here, 'cause they'll catch you and give you a whipping. Well, I believe I was right when I said you were wrong. You didn't like the sound of that, now did ya? Slow down, you're gonna crash. Radio is screaming, it's a blast, blast, blast. Look out, you got your blinders on. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone. But here I come, and I'm so not scared. Got my pedal to the metal, got my hands in the air. But look out, you take your blinders off. Everybody's looking for a way to get real gone, real gone. Real gone. Real gone. Real gone.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in Piston Cup history, we have a three-way tie. A tiebreaker race between the three leaders will be held in California in 1 week.
California, here we come.
Get your motor running. Head out on the highway. Looking for adventure. And whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Fire all of the guns and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never wanna die. Boy,
McQueen's driver arrived in California, but McQueen was missing.
Race car Lightning McQueen was reported
McQueen
missing.
is scheduled to race in an unprecedented...
Sponsor stated they have no idea where he is.
They are all asking the same question. Where is McQueen?
Where am I?
Where are you? Shoot, you're in Radiator Springs, the cutest little town in Carburetor County.
Well, if you ever plan to motor west, Jack, take my way. It's the highway that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles all the way. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it goes from St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty, you see. Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona, Kingsman, Moscow, San Bernardino. Won't you get hip to this kindly tip, Jack, and take that California trip. Get your kicks on Route 66.
How great would it have been to see this place in its heyday?
Oh, can't tell you how many times I've dreamed of that. But one of these days, we'll find a way to get it back on the map.
Hey, is it getting dark out?
What? What did he say?
Let me say that again. Is it getting dark out?
Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Sherwood. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom and open with me to get boom. Ding dong, ding dong, lang, lang, lang. Oh, whoa, whoa, dip. A bit, but dip. Oh, life could be a dream. If only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine.
Oh, life could be a dream. Shaboom, if I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom, and tell me, darling, I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we meet again. Boom, boom, boom. Ding dong, ding dong, la lang, la lang, la lang, la lang, la oh, oh, bip, a bip, oh, but oh, life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Shaboom.
We have found McQueen! We have found McQueen!
Hey, kid, we gotta go. Hov's going crazy. He's gonna have me fired if I don't get you in the truck right now.
Mac, just... Oh, hold it.
You should go.
I know, but...
Good luck in California.
It took so long just to
Hello, race fans, and welcome to what has become quite simply the biggest event in the history of racing. A three-way battle for the Piston Cup.
If you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut. Now get back out there.
Travel along, there's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you win, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. Where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. He won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today.
How about that? Zach Huibregtse, guys. Great Plains Pyro, Kansas City Area Pyrotechnics. Hey, that's a wrap for tonight. Hey, real quick, I want to thank the Erath County Fire Department, Volunteer Fire Department, the Selden Fire Department. They've been putting out some fires up here for us tonight. Thank you guys for coming out. Hey, be safe going home. Be patient. And come back and see us next year. We'll do it bigger and better than ever at the 2025 Lonestar Fireworks Festival. Thank you, God bless, and good night.